QTP Kids
presents ABC by Vegetables.
A is for asparagus. B is for broccoli. C is for carrot. D is for drumstick. E is for eggplant. F is for French beans. G is for ginger. H is for habanero peppers. I is for iceberg lettuce. J is for jalapeno. K is for kidney beans. L is for lettuce. M is for mushroom. N is for Nappacabbage. O is for okra. P is for pumpkin. Q is for quinoa. R is for radish. S is for spinach. T is for tomato. U is for ube. V is for Venita. W is for wasabi. X is for chigua. Y is for yam. Z is for zucchini.
Like, share, comment, subscribe to QTP Kids.